Morning, children. Today's class will see how to find out the HCF of the given numbers by the prime factorization method. Last class we have seen divisibility of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, isn't it right? So today's class will see how to find out the HCF. Here they have given first sum 21, 49. So we want to first we want to do it like they have said, like a prime factorization method means you have to do in this way. So you have to start dividing in the with the 2 number 21 cannot be divided, so it will start with the 3 sevens are 21, then 7 ones are 7. Next 49 also is there, 49, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Okay, thus 21 is equals to 3 into 7 because 21 is equal to 3 sevens are 21. Next 49 is equal to 7 into 7. In these two numbers, which number is common? That we call it as an HCF. Here only the 7 is common. In these two numbers 7s are common. So I have grouped the 7. Therefore HCF is equals to 7. Next we will see 120, 36. So 36, 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. Next 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Next 120, 2 6 are 12, 2 zeros are 0, then 2 3s are 6 and 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, next 5 ones are 5. Thus 36 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 120 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So here 2 is common, another 2 is common and 3 is common. So I have grouped this and therefore HCF is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 we got. Next 65, 165. 65 in 65 can be divided with the 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. 1 remains. Next 13 ones are 13. Next 165. 5 3s are 15. 1 remains. 5 3s are 15. Next 3 11s are 33. 11 ones are 11. So thus 65 is equals to 5 into 13 and 165 is equals to 5 into 13 into 11. Here only the 5 is common, so I have grouped the 5 and therefore HCF is equals to 5. Now we got, children, how to find out the HCF of the given numbers by using the prime factorization method. Next we will see find the LCM of the given numbers by prime factorization method. This also, but here it is a LCM, not the HCF. Okay, first sum 8, 32. 8, 32, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Next 32, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 6s are 12. Next 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So thus 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 and 32 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here in these two numbers, here 3 2s are common. I have grouped already. After grouping it, you have to take only the 1 2. So 1 2 I have took 2 into another 2, 2 into 2. So this 3 is you have to take 1 and 2 and remaining 1 and 2. 2 into 2. So when we multiply this 5 numbers will get 32. Have you got now? Next 27, 33. So 27. 3 9s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 33. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. 11 ones are 11 we got. So now 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 and 33 is equals to 3 into 11. Therefore LCM is equals to, here in this 2 number 3 is common, so I have grouped. You have to take 1 3 and remaining numbers 3 into 3 into 11. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 11 will be getting 297. Next 55, 80. 8, 55, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5, 11 ones are 11. Next 88, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 11 ones are 11. So thus 55 is equals to 5 into 11 and 88 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So here 11 is common, so I took only the one 11 and remaining numbers 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. If you multiply this 5 numbers, we will be getting 440. Have you got children now how to find the HCF and the LCM of the given numbers by using the prime factorization method? Thank you.